Hi, welcome to Say in Tech YouTube channel, the one-stop place for crazy Pi projects. Today we are going to see Python match statements, while loop and for loop.
Match statement. We are going to use date and time module for this match statement. I'm importing date and time module. This is date. So you have to provide from date time, import date time, which will import date time module. Okay. Now declare a variable date underscore str. So I am providing date as a string. I'm trying to convert this string date as a data object. So for that, I am declaring a variable date underscore object. So using datetime module, there is one method strip time str time. I am providing the string date variable and the format of the string date. Now what will happen? The string date is stored as a date object. Okay, using the module datetime. So from date object, we can able to get the month number. So I'm trying to get the month number from this date object, that is date underscore obj variable, and store it in month underscore num variable. Okay, so now we'll get the month number. So what is the month number? So the month number is 7. Okay, so year is 2025, month is 7, and date is 12. That is what we are given in the date string. So now I am using match statement using month number. Okay, same as It is nothing but it is case only, case and case only. So here it is match. So, so instead of using multiple if else condition, we can use this match statement. Okay. So because here we have to check the month number, right? To 1 to 12. So we have to put so many if else condition. To avoid this, we are using match statement. I will copy paste it for 12 months. And stop in typing. You can copy paste it. For typing the entire code, it is taking more time, and also it increases the video size also. So next time onwards, we will copy paste the code. Okay, so that the video will be very short, right? We can cover a lot. May, June, June, August, AUG, September, SCP, October, OCP, November, MOV, then copy paste one more for December, 5 December, DEC, right? Now we'll use a print statement, print. So we'll use a placeholder. So for that I will type F in quote. The month is within placeholder within open, that is curly brackets, open close. Here we can provide month, the variable name, close flower bracket, close the double quotes, then we will close the bracket. Some error is coming. 1 second, let me check what is the error. I think for year Y caps, I think. Let me try to change it. Yes, Y caps. Now you run. Yeah, see, so we got the month is July. Okay, we got the output, right? See, I change it to 8 month. So it is August. Yes. I change it to first month. Then it is Jan. Yes. We got the result. Okay. This is match statement. Instead of using multiple if else statement, we can use match statement. I will save it now. Got saved. So now I will open a new editor window, a title window. Now we are going to see while loop. Okay. I equal to 1, declaring a variable and providing an initial value as a 1. So next is while I'm going to use while loop. So while I lesser than 6. Okay. So what it will do, it will loop this statement within whatever statement we are giving. It will loop it till this particular condition is achieved. Okay. See, inside the while I am giving print, okay, statement. So it will loop the print statement till this condition is achieved. So for that we have to provide the incremental also, because we have to increment the value of the I, right? This is incremental operator, I plus equal to 1. See what result we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it got printed that many times because we are looping the print statement, okay, using the while loop. Okay, if lesser than or equal to I have given, so sixth number also it will take. So 6 times the loop will run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it right? So what while loop will do? While loop will loop the statement which is present inside the while for still the condition is achieved, while condition is achieved. Okay. So it will have a while with condition and the statement which should be looped and the incremental operator, incremental statement. So now we will check with along with if condition. I told, right? So till the condition is achieved, it will loop. Now I am giving a break statement. Okay, with the if condition. So at 3, I want it to be break. It will should come out. So 1, 2, 3, then it came out. Got it now? If condition is achieved, if I equal to 3, then break the while loop. So come out of the while loop. So that is break statement. Now I am giving continuous statement. So if I equal to 3, then continue. Okay, this is continuous statement. Once again, I will change, okay, slightly the inners, because print we have to use down, then only we can clearly identify. So incremental operator, I am providing it the initial itself. Okay, so end I will provide the print. So for continue now, we have to change the statement, then only it will be clear example. See, so what happened if I equal to 3, then I told don't need to print, you continue, go to while again. So that's why the print statement is not called. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Got it, right? As it starts with 1, okay, it prints like this 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if we make it start with 0, then it will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay, I will change it to initialize the variable to 0. Okay, we will put a 0. Okay, then we'll check this statement, what is happening. And putting alias 0. Now you check 1, 2, 3 is missing, right? 4, 5, 6, because we asked it to continue. Okay, so it went to while again. Okay, without printing the print, without doing the prints, without calling the print statement. Okay, this is while loop with continuous statement. So now we will check for else statement. So I'm going to use else statement along with while loop. Okay, if this condition is achieved, the loop will do. If it is not achieved, what I am going to do? I am going to print the condition is not achieved. That is, I is no longer lesser than that is less than 6. Okay, this is the else condition. So it will print I is no longer less than 6. Okay, because we are not going to print the loops. Okay, loop counts. See, now we are getting an error, invalid syntax. I think the else part now. So I think the intent is the problem. Because while then the same intent we have to give for else also. Only the intent spacing is the problem. But it is showing syntax error. Okay. But I guess index sorry, intent error. Intent is not clear. So it will check for intent also. Okay, we already seen earlier. Python will check for intent also. Okay. Okay, let me try to change the intent and try. Let me try to change the intent. Okay, now I will try. See, intent is the problem. Okay. Intent must be very important. Okay. So this is while loop with else statement. Okay. Now we are going to see for loop. So while loop, what it does, still certain condition is achieved, it will loop this statement, right? So for loop. Okay. So now I am giving for x in Periyasamy. So what it will loop? It will loop all one by one characters. Okay. Till that is for. So till the entire list is completing, it will loop. Okay, the statement will loop. See, so Periyasamy, it will take it as a list, string list. So it is typing one by one character. So it is printing one by one character in the console. Okay, this is for. The same thing we can see with an list. Now I will declare a list with fruits. Okay, my list. So we will declare equal to what square bracket we have to provide, right? Square bracket. I will type some fruit names. Apple, orange, mango. Okay, close this square bracket. So this is my list. Okay, so I am going to for loop this list. So for x in my list, my underscore list is the variable name. The intent is very important. See, after for, I'm giving the space. Print x. Now execute. So it will print apple, orange, and mango. Got it now? Till the list is completed, for loop will continue the loop. So same here, we can use the conditions also. Okay, if x equal to orange, then break. We'll use the break statement and check. If a while loop, if we give break, it break there itself, right? 1, 2, 3, then 3 only. So here also the same thing only. We have used break in orange. So what it stopped in apple itself. Okay, orange is not printed and it don't went for mango also because we came out of the for loop. Okay, using the break statement. So now I am using continue. See what happened? It again went to for, so it didn't print this statement. I told continue. Okay, so now you have the clear idea between break, continue, and all. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.